On the occasion of Navaratri, Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, accompanied by officers and Jawans, performed the Shastra Puja, the customary worship of weapons. At Sikkim's Shirthang, less than 2 kilometers from the line of actual control, Rajnath Singh performed a puja and worshipped weapons, equipment and armoured vehicles as a priest chanted prayers in Sanskrit. The priest ended the ceremony with prayers for the safety of India's borders. In an interaction with a group of army personnel, the defence minister extended his Vijayadashami greetings and praised their dedication in protecting the nation's borders. India's brave soldiers have sacrificed their lives. We want that the Indo-China border tension should end and peace should be preserved. But unpleasant incidents keep happening. However, I am confident that our soldiers will not let anyone take even an inch of our land. History will remember the courage of Indian soldiers, Rajnath Singh said after the ceremony.
इस समय भारत और चीन की सीमा पर भी जो तनाव चल रहा है, भारत तो ये चाहता है कि यह तनाव समाप्त हो, शांति स्थापित हो। उद्देश्य हमारा यह है। लेकिन कभी-कभी कुछ ऐसी नापाक हरकतें होती रहती हैं। लेकिन मैं पूरी तरह से आश्वस्त हूं और आश्वस्त ही नहीं हूं, मुझे पूरा भरोसा भी है कि हमारे सेना के जवान किसी भी सूरत में अपने भारत की 1 इंच भी जमीन किसी दूसरे के हाथों में नहीं जाने देंगे।
On Saturday late afternoon, Rajnath Singh had arrived at the key military base popularly known as Trishakti Corps in Darjeeling district of West Bengal. This was part of his 2-day visit to West Bengal and Sikkim to review the military preparedness in the wake of India-China border standoff as well as to perform Ayudha Puja with soldiers. Singh also had reviewed the combat preparedness of the Indian Army at the Sukna-based headquarters of its 33 Corps, which is in charge of guarding the line of actual control near China in the Sikkim sector. Defence Minister Singh had performed a Shastra Puja or arms worship to welcome the Rafale fight aircraft during his bilateral visit to the French port city of Bordeaux on Dasara last year. The defence minister's auspicious gesture comes at a time when the militaries of both India and China are engaged in an intense standoff along the LAC in eastern Ladakh. The minister's visit is seen as a move to boost the confidence of the Indian Army and to warn China that India is ready to face any eventuality. News Desk, Kaumudi English.